Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on your Predator 17. I think that the best way to take a screenshot is either click on the print screen key, which is on the top row of the keyboard on the right side of F12 key, and that simply doesn't even prompt you that the screenshot was taken. I've just done it and you can't really see anything about it, but you can simply then later on paste it somewhere to an email or anywhere else. But if you want to do more, then you should use Windows, Shift and S key combination. So the Windows key, the Shift and the S will open that, and now you can select whether you want to take a snip, rectangular snip, a freeform snip, window snip, or full screen snip. I'm gonna take a rectangular one first. Then it says that it's saved to my clipboard. By the way, you can click on it and customize it, and you can click on the Save As key. Then select the location you want to save that screenshot to. Click on Save, and now it's saved as a file, not as a clipboard thing. Now if I do the freeform, I don't really find it useful, but maybe you will. Just draw whichever side you like, or you can do a window snip, and to do that you need to have a window opened. Windows Shift and S, select the window snip, hover over a window you want a screenshot, click on it, and now it is screenshotted. If you click on Windows Shift and S and select the full screen snip, then it'll snip the full screen. You can see it here. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.